Hi pupils, good morning. Welcome to Missing English Learning Time. How are you? I hope everyone are fine. Let's start for our today English learning session. Are you ready? Let's start. Today we're going to learn about nature around us. We're going to learn about nature around us. Nature 是什么呢？是大自然。Okay, in this picture are the nature around us. Can you name it? What can you see in the nature? I can see sun, river, trees, flowers, hill, and many more. Let's recognize all the names of the nature around us. The first one. What is this? What fruit is this? Coconut. So it's a coconut tree. It's a coconut tree. COCONUT. Coconut tree. tree. Coconut tree. Now, the second one. What is this? This is sun. SUN sun. What is this? Sun. SUN sun. Now, what is this? This is hill. HILL hill. Hill. HILL hill. What is hill? 小山或者山丘，我们叫 hill。You can climb up hill to look down the beautiful sights around you. This is a hill. HILL hill. What is this? Do you know? This is an island and a small island. ISLAND island. Again, island. ISLAND island. In an island, you might don't have any food over there, so be careful. 如果你去到小岛，如果那个小岛上面什么东西都没有，那就是它是一个荒岛，没有人住的荒岛。Island 是一个岛。What is this? This is a cloud. CLOUD cloud. What is this? Cloud. CLOUD cloud. What is this? This is sea. SEAC. What is this? SEAC. There are people fishing in the sea. What is this? This is a boat. A boat sails in the middle of the sea. What is this? This is shell. What is this? This is a shell. 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 Where can you find shell? At the beside the sea, you can find seashell. What is this? This is sand. SAND sand. What is this? Sand. SAND sand. What is sand? Where can you find sand? At the beach. You can see lots of sand over there. You can play sand castles. Now let's revise all the things in the nature around us. The first one, what is this? Coconut tree. COCONUT coconut tree. TREE coconut tree. What is coconut tree? 椰子树。Where can you see coconut tree? Beside sea, you can see coconut tree. What is this? This is sun. SUN sun. Sun means daytime. you can see sun. Sun gives us light and warmth to us as well. If there is a sun, you can dry your clothes. 如果有太阳有 sun，你就可以晾衣服 sun。The third one, what is this? Hill, Hill, hill. What is hill? 山丘、小山，我们叫 hill。What is this? Island, Island, island. What is island? 小岛 island. What is this? Cloud, Cloud, cloud. What is cloud? 云朵。Where can you see cloud? In the sky. What is this? Sea, Seac. What is sea? 海，海中央，深海，我们可以叫 sea。What is this? Shell, Shell, shell. What is shell? 蚌壳，或者是沙滩上面的，你看到一些 seashell。What is this? Sand, Sand, sand. Where can you see sand? At the beach, you can see sand, 沙 sand, Sand, sand. Are you ready? Let's recall back all the words. The first one, what is this? Coconut tree, 椰子树。What is this? Sun, 太阳。What is this? Hill, 小丘。Island, 小岛。Cloud, 云朵。Sea, 海，大海 sea。Shell, shell, 蚌壳。The last one, sand, 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 沙。That's all for today. If you like my video, please subscribe. Bye bye.